Very good morning everyone. Today we are going to see about the innovative wheelchair which has been fabricated by me, especially for the physically challenged people. If you are going to see this wheelchair, it is going to be an advanced wheelchair which can be controlled using a mobile app. So now we are going to see about the mobile app which has been specially designed for this. So I am going to show you the mobile app. So if you are going to see this mobile app has been developed especially by SC Engineering College, and you can see the logo of our college here, and it is going to have various operational features as you are going to see in this. So this mobile app can be connected and it can be disconnected using the Bluetooth. Now if you are going to see its position, it is in connected position. So whenever the Bluetooth is connected to this wheelchair, we can operate the wheelchair in multiple directions. Say for example, you are having various buttons. You are having totally 8 buttons as you can see over here for controlling the direction of the wheelchair. So this is forward, this is reverse, and you can make a left or right turn in the forward or in the reverse direction as you can see over here. And you are having 2 more buttons. One is going to be up and down. Using this up and down button, you can raise the height of the wheelchair and you can lower down the height of the wheelchair, which you are going to see it now. And you are also having a speed control. As you are going to see over here, you can increase the speed at which you can operate the wheelchair. That is the speed at which the wheelchair is going to move, both at maximum speed as well as our minimum speed. Now we are going to see its operation. So now I am going to operate this Bluetooth. It is going to be in connected position. As you are going to see here, this Bluetooth is in connected position, this mobile app. Now I am going to make this wheelchair to move in forward. So you can see this wheelchair. Now it is moving in forward direction. Then reverse, as you can see over here. Then if you want to make a turn, you can turn like this. So you can turn 360 degrees, both clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. Now you are going to see it in opposite direction, as you are going to see over here. So you can move forward. Then you can make a reverse direction like this. So you can see the different directions in which you can control the movement of the wheelchair. So I am going to increase the speed, as you are going to see over here. So this is about this. Now we are going to see about the height adjustment mechanism. So now you can see we are raising the height of the wheelchair, as you are going to see over here. Here you are having a scissor lift mechanism, as you are seeing here. So I am giving the control using this mobile app. So it is getting raised. So you can see the scissor lift mechanism which is raising the height of the wheelchair. You can see the height of the wheelchair being lifted over here. The seat rises to a maximum height of 2 feet. So from its normal seating position, it is being raised to a maximum height of 2 feet, as you can see over here. Now it has reached its maximum position. As you can see here, it has reached its maximum position. So now I am going to lower it down, as you are going to see over here. So it is being lowered back. So it reaches back to its normal position. Wherever you want, you can control the height of this wheelchair. If you want to place the wheelchair at this height, you can place it at the same height. So wherever you want, you can rise. And you can keep it at the same position itself. And keeping it in the maximum position, you can control the movement of the wheelchair. So if you are going to see this, you can move the wheelchair in this position itself. So this is going to be one of the feature. Now I am going to lower it down, as you are going to see over here. Down. So you can see here, it is being brought down to its initial position. Now I am going to control the wheelchair using this mobile app. So as you are going to see over here, it is going to rise first height adjustment mechanism. As I am clicking the up button, you can see it downwards. So I am going to slightly move it sidewards. So now I am going to click the up button. So you can see the scissor lift mechanism which is being lifted over here using this mobile app. So I am controlling the wheelchair movement, that is height adjustment mechanism. I am lifting the height of the wheelchair using this mobile app. As you can see over here, the mobile app. Now it has reached the height. So you can see the maximum height to which the wheelchair has been raised. So this is the maximum height to which it has been raised over there. So you can see the height of the wheelchair, it is being lifted up. Now it has reached the maximum height, and now I am going to use the another button in the mobile app, that is the down button. Using the down button, I am going to zoom it down. I am going to make it to come downwards. I am going to click the down button continuously, and you can see the scissor lift mechanism gradually it is lowering downwards so that the height is being brought down. So it is lowering down, as you can see over here. So using these two buttons, you can raise the height of the wheelchair and you can lower the height of the wheelchair. The maximum height to which the wheelchair can rise is that 2 feet from its seat level. Now, we are going to see about the second mode of control in which this wheelchair can be controlled. So today we are going to see about the joystick control. So this is going to be joystick control. To enable the control of the wheelchair using the joystick, now I am going to switch on the joystick. So now you can see the joystick has been switched off. So it has been switched on, as you are going to see over there. So this is going to be the speed control, and I am going to tilt it at the medium speed. So if you are going to bring the knob to this position, it is going to be the maximum speed. This is moderate, and this is going to be the very minimum speed which it can run. So I am keeping it in the middle position, and this indicates you the level of the batteries. So the battery charge capacity is shown over here. So since it is going to be in green, which indicates that it is going to be in fully charged condition. If suppose the light comes on to the orange position, it indicates that the battery charge is only 50%, and if you desire, you can go for the charging of the 50%. And if it comes to the red indicator, it means that the battery has been completely drained and nearly only 10 to 15% charge has been left behind in this battery. So it needs a immediate charging for minimum 1 hour to 2.5 hours. So green means it is going to be fully charged, and if it is going to be in orange condition, it indicates that the battery is going to be in 50% charge, and red means it needs a immediate charging. So this is going to be about this. This is going to be the knob using which you can control it. And moving on to this height control mechanism, you are having the two knobs over here. This you can see it over here. It can be taken out, as you can see, and it can be replaced in this handle. So it can be taken out and it can be placed back. So you can take it out and you can place it as per the convenience of the handrest of the user. And now I am going to use this. You can see the close-up view. So if you are going to see this, when I raise this button, you can see the wheelchair height is being raised. So the height of the wheelchair rises to a maximum distance of 2 feet from the already seat height. So it can reach a maximum of 7 feet from the ground, so that the objects which are placed on the shelf or rack or on the bureau up to a maximum height of 7 feet from the ground can be reached by this height lifting mechanism. And now I am going to lower it down. Here you can see a scissor lift mechanism, as you can see over here. Now I am going to lower it down. So it is a very gradual and smooth movement, thereby enabling the user to have a comfortable height lifting and height lowering mechanism. So you can see now that the seat comes back to its original position, as you can see over here. Now this completes your height lifting mechanism.
இப்போதைக்கு கரெக்டாக தான் சார் இருக்குது. கரெக்டாக தான் இருக்குது. இப்படி வந்துருக்குங்க. ஓகே, போங்க போங்க. வாங்க சார், வாங்க வாங்க.
Now you are going to see about another mechanism, a unique feature of this wheelchair. We have designed in such a way that the solenoid brake is incorporated in this wheelchair system, so that whenever you are going to slope down, when you are going to enter the slopes, or when you are going to move down the slopes, as you are going to see over here, it is going to have full complete control. So even on the, you are not pressing any button, as you are going to see when you are not pressing any button, complete control is going to be there in the slope. It will not slide down. So as you are going to see here, it will not slide down. It is having a solenoid brake control. So it is going to be a perfect control over here. So it is having full grip, as you are going to see over here. It will not slide down the slope unless otherwise you are going to give the control. So now you are going to see here. So likewise, it will not also fall back. It is having a fall safe roof over here at the bottom. So you are having two wheels at the back, as you are going to see over there. So it will not also fall back. So it is having a complete solenoid brake, as you are going to see over here. The solenoid brakes will arrest its movement. So if you are going to leave the hand from the joystick, automatically its movements will be completely controlled. So this is going to be another unique feature of this wheelchair. A solenoid brake is incorporated. If you are going to see this, another unique feature, you are having horn system in this wheelchair. So whenever you are having any obstacle or you want to make some people to move away from your path, you can press this button. so that the people can move away from their path, so that you will be getting a clearance. You can travel in a very smooth manner. Cut panni. So if you are going to see this another unique feature, you are having a mobile stand over here. As you can see here, this is going to be the mobile stand in which you can keep your mobile phones and you can open this app, so that you are having a perfect stand for this mobile control of the wheelchair, and you can operate the wheelchair using this app itself from this stand. So this is going to be a stand which has been designed for holding the mobile, as you can see here. So we have added another innovative feature for this wheelchair. It is going to be the height reclining mechanism, as you can see over here. So if you want, for example, if the user feels uncomfortable, he can lie down, as you can see over here. So you are having a mechanism. So apart from this, you are having your seat belts. For the safety of the user, you can have the seat belt over here, as you can see. So it can lock it whenever, position wherever you want. Then if you want, you can release it back.
Oh, okay, sir.
So you can back it over there. Another thing, if for the safety or for the comfort of the user, you can tilt it back. If you want the handle, you can tilt the handle at the back. As you can see this is going to be another feature of the wheelchair which you have developed. And the joystick can be
Cut panava.
So if you want to adjust the height of this or the length of this joystick as you want, you can remove this cable, as you can see. Then by pressing this knob, you can adjust the height of this, the length of this joystick, not the height, the length of this joystick handle. Wherever you want, you can creep it back, and you can give the connection. Then you can put the knob back in position. Then cut panni. So there are two modes of control in which you can control the movement of this wheelchair. One is going to be the motor mode. In motor mode, you cannot make any manual movement. Say for example, if I am trying to push this wheelchair, so if I am going to try this push wheelchair or pull it back, it will not move. It is going to be in the motor mode. Now if you want to make it to the manual mode, I am going to release this knob. Here you are having two control buttons, as you can see here. So this you can release. Zoom in. So now when the knob has been released, it has been turned on for manual mode. In this manual mode, you cannot control the wheelchair by motor control. You can move like this. You can move like this. You can move like this. You can turn wherever you want. This is going to be completely manual mode. As you are going to see over here, this is going to be manual mode. You can move the wheelchair using this manual mode also. So wherever you want, you can turn it back. So you can see here. And if you see another thing, you see here these two wheels here. We are having two wheels. This is going to be a fail-safe roof wheels which will prevent the falling back down of the user. So whenever the user falls back, like this will prevent this wheels will lock its current position and it will prevent the user from falling back down. This is going to be another feature. So in manual mode, now I am moving the wheelchair back. So another feature, the wheelchair is going to be very compact and it is going to be very small in size. Say for example, you can enter it into the lifts. So whenever you want to make it to the places which is going to be compact and which is going to be tiny, you can remove some attachments. Now I am going to remove this footrest. As you can see over here, this attachment can be removed. So this footrest can be removed like this, as you can see over here. So this can be removed. Now you can make it, this footrest can be placed whenever you want and you can replace it back, making this wheelchair compact and suitable for moving in small places. So after removing this, You can enter into the lift as you can see over here.
டோர் மூடிடுங்க.
Now we are going to see the height adjustment mechanism which is incorporated in this wheelchair. So normally the physically challenged people find some difficulties in picking up the objects placed at some different heights. Say on the top of a shelf or on a rack or on a top of a bureau, as you can see over here. So I cannot, this is my maximum height which I can raise over here. Now I am going to incorporate the height adjustment mechanism as you can see over here. So the height lifting mechanism, you can see at the below, it is having a electromechanical actuator and a scissor lift mechanism attached to it. Using this, I am raising the height of the wheelchair, and maximum it can reach a height of 7 feet from the ground. Using this height lifting mechanism, raised to its maximum height, it can reach a height of nearly 7 feet from the ground. Now it has stopped over there. Now I can pick up the object placed like this. So I can pick up the object as you can see over here, placed at this top. So I can place it back as you can see over here. So I can reach objects which are placed on the top of a bureau or on a rack or on a shelf also using this height adjustment mechanism or height lifting mechanism incorporated in this innovative wheelchair which has been specially designed for the physically challenged people. So this is going to be another thing. If I want to make it down, I can raise it down like this. So now I am lowering it, and another feature, wherever I want I can stop. So if I want to stop at this distance, I can stop it as per my convenience, as per my requirement, I can stop it over there. So wherever I want I can reach the objects as you can see. So I am lowering down, still down. So I can reach different heights using this height lifting mechanism. Wherever I want I can raise it and I can lower it back. So this is going to be another unique feature. அப்படியே திரும்பணும். நீங்கள் எந்த ஒரு கையை திரும்பினா அதை வந்து திரும்பணும். அப்படியே திரும்பணும். நல்லா திரும்பணும். ஸ்பீடாக ஃபுல்லாக திரும்பணும். ஃபுல்லாக சுற்றுறாங்க. அப்படியே ரொட்டேட் அடிக்கலாம். திடீர் அடிக்கலாம். அப்படியே அடிக்கணும். அப்படியே சுற்றிங்கன்னா சுற்றுங்களா. இப்போ அப்படியே அப்படியே சுற்றுங்க.
ரிவர்ஸில் பின்னாடி எடுத்துருங்க. அது மாதிரி பின்னாடி அதே மாதிரி சுற்றுங்க.
சுற்றுங்க. எப்படி சுற்றுறாலும் சரி தான். சுற்றுங்க.
அவ்வளோதான் சார். ஃபஸ்ட்டாக சுற்றுங்க.
அவ்வளோதான். சுற்றுங்க. நல்லா ஸ்பீடாக சுற்றுங்க. வைக்கணுமா? ஸ்பீடு வைக்கணுமா?
நிறுத்துங்க.
போதுமா? ரிவர்ஸ் போங்க. ரிவர்ஸ்.
நீங்கள் தள்ளி வாங்க சார். உங்கள் மேலே அடிச்சிட போகுது. ரிவர்ஸ் வாங்க சார். பின்னாடி அவ்வளோதான். அப்படியே போங்க.
வாங்க. அப்படியே வாங்க. எங்கே வேணால் போகலாம். ரோட்டுக்குள்ளே போகலாம். போயிட்டு வந்துட்டாங்க. பார்த்து
அவர் கேட் வரைக்கும் எடுத்துகிட்டு போயிடுவார் சார்.
கையெடுங்க. அவ்வளோதான். உடனே அரெஸ்ட் ஆகிடும். டக்குன்னு கையெடுங்கன்னா நின்றோம். உடனே கை சும்மா எடுத்து பாருங்க. அவ்வளோதான்.
ஸ்பீடு என்ன?
ஸ்பீடா 20 கிலோமீட்டர் per hour. அவ்வளோதாண்ணா. பொறுமை லைட்டாக டச் பண்ணாலே மூவ் ஆகும்.
ஸ்பீடு கம்மி பண்ணி கொடுத்துருங்க சார் வேணும்.
மூவ் பண்ணுங்களா பண்ணுங்க மூவ் பண்ணுங்க ஃபார்வர்ட்
முன்னாடி வாங்க.
ஒன்றும் இல்லை.
அப்படியே ரைட்டு திருப்புங்க. அவ்வளோதான். அப்படியே போங்க சார், ஃப்ரண்ட்டில் போங்க.
வாங்க
போங்க
சார். நம்ம பாய்
ரிட்டன் ஒன்றும் விட மாட்டேங்க. ரிட்டன் எடுங்க ரிட்டன்.
ம்
ரொட்டேட் அடிங்க அப்படியே அடிங்க.
அப்படியே ஜாலியாக பைக்கில் மாதிரி அடிங்க.
இல்லை அடிங்க ரிட்டன் அடிங்க அதில். அப்படியே அடிங்க.
நான் எடுக்க மாட்டோமா?
ஃபார்வர்டு போங்க. எப்படி இருக்கு ஐயா?
சூப்பர் சார்.